Hi guys, welcome back to How to Maximize. In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix Roblox error code 279, right? So basically you have to fix it. If you're using in the browser, then you have to just open a new tab and just go to the Google, it doesn't matter. And here on the top right side corner, you can see the three horizontal line of your browser. If you're using a Chrome browser, then you will find it exactly at the same location. Click here, then you have to just go to the setting of your browser, right? And here you have to just go to the privacy. So in the Chrome browser, you will able to just go to the privacy. Okay, now here just click on privacy and security, and basically you will see here clear browsing data. So just go over it to it, and after that you can just select all time, and this is it, and just clear the data. Okay, and make sure just click on the advanced, and after that you can select everything here and just clear data. This is very important, guys. And after that you have to just go to the cookie and other site, and basically here you have to do nothing. You have to, if there is a added here discord.com, then you have to just remove it, right? And basically this is it, and after that just restart your PC. And if you're using any kind of antivirus, then just turn it off, right? Because Windows Defender is working perfectly fine here and there will be no issue in it. So if you found this video really useful, make sure to like this video, subscribe our channel, and see you guys in the next video.